Good morning, everybody. It's time to get started this morning. We got some horses I gotta haul, and I got a lot of shoeing I gotta do, so let's get some breakfast and get at it. Let's get us some coffee started this morning. Sometimes I do this backwards, y'all. I gotta change my filter out. Alright, put us a new filter in there. We want to use some of this 8 o'clock here. Nothing like the smell of them beans. I hear Fallon, everybody. She started smelling this coffee.
And so you have about 4 filters in there.
Folks, Fallon just told me that I had it done wrong.
Let's just count how many there were.
I wanted to make sure we had enough.
You had 3 at least there. You had 3.
I had 3 filters.
Yeah.
Fallon thought that was too many, so she's redoing what I did, everybody.
You already got water in there?
Yep. I'm not doubting you want to change that water, baby.
Did you go up to 12?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Do you want to change it?
Did you go to 12?
I went to 12.
Okay, it's fine.
All right, everybody. Let's make your coffee. Everybody, usually this is a relaxing sound, but this thing's getting kind of violent here. I don't know what in the world's going on with this thing. Something ain't right. Mama, I don't think something's right here, baby. I know I did, baby. Look here. We got something going on. Y'all, I told you about life. Sometimes you're going to get a funnel cake. Sometimes you're going to get funnel cake nuggets. And most of the time it's going to burn them jokers. Folks, don't y'all worry. I'm a fixer.
I can't remember who to sit with it. I can't be in her friends.
She's over here sitting with the coffee maker, y'all.
Either because you didn't wash out the filter, the black part.
It's my fault, everybody.
I always wash out that black part in case any grounds got down in there.
It's the man that the Lord gave to her. It's his fault. I destroyed this coffee maker.
See, I'm the professional.
She's the professional coffee maker.
Coffee.
Huh?
My shirt says coffee.
Oh, okay, y'all. Look here, y'all. Her shirt says coffee, so she's over here wanting to talk it up like she is the only one in this family that can make coffee. We think we know what the problem is. We can try to drink it. Let's just try it. I'm not worried about a few coffee grounds. Let's just see what it tastes like.
No, that's just watery.
Tastes great.
Okay, well you go ahead and drink
That tastes great. Just clean it out. I didn't. Fallon cleaned it out. This morning we're gonna bake some country ham. This is the first time we've cooked this way, ain't it, baby?
Well...
I mean, most time we put it on the...
Well, we don't normally ever get these thicker slices of country ham.
Right, we've cooked country ham a bunch, but we've never cooked any this thick, and we've never cooked it in the oven. But we know there won't nothing go wrong.
Yeah.
I told y'all, things don't always go according to plan. You just take yesterday, for example. Tyler went to haul some horses, and another fail went down with his truck. The bad thing is, his truck is actually the backup truck, and my 250 had been giving all kinds of trouble. So, all kinds of stuff going on there, but that's life. Everything was going just fine. Tyler went and hauled some horses yesterday, and now that truck has, I don't know exactly what happened to it. I hadn't had a chance to look at it yet, but it's been all kinds of stuff going on. All I can say is, get up and get ready for it. Don't make no difference what's going on. Every storm runs out of rain. You know what we need to do, Mama, for these youngins? Green eggs and ham, y'all. Are y'all feeling that this morning?
Well, the problem with that is the kids ain't getting up for about 3 more hours.
Yeah, sometimes I have to start a lot earlier. But Mama, why don't we make me and you green eggs and ham, baby? Wouldn't that be nice, folks? If me and Fallon made green eggs and ham for us? It's gonna be a good day out there, everybody. Y'all just hang on. Things may not be, listen, when things are just really going bad wrong, just hang on. It will get better. Y'all notice that butter ain't gonna melt at all until we turn this thing on. We forgot to turn it on.
We don't want our eggs to be
Oh,
cold.
folks, she did that on purpose. She put that right there on purpose.
The ham still has about 10 minutes. The back porch has kind of turned into the schoolroom for Jonah and Sissy. They love to do their schoolwork out here. So there's always little pieces of paper and stacks and stuff that they drop when they're out here. Hopefully, Titus is going to get this pipe put in for the wood stove in the next week or two. Thought he would have time to do it last week, but he didn't get around to it yet. So hopefully, though, for sure, before it gets too cold, he'll have that in and they can still do their schoolwork out here. We'll have a little fire going.
Mike had that house right there moved from town.
It was built in 1840, and in 1980 they were about to tear it down, and then ended up moving up here.
But look at that. Can you believe moving this house up this steep hill right here? How old is it again, Mike?
1840. It's 21 years before the Civil War started.
Just about done here. We're on our last horse. Mike and Janice is going to take the other two up to the top of the hill, and that's the reason she's getting excited. She wants to go too, but I still got to trim her. So, but the leaves are starting to change up here. This is just right above our house.
Do eggs help it?
Eggs help, man.
Really? I thought it was carrots.
Well, I ate carrots and eggs. I seen the other day somebody on YouTube made a carrot omelet.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Carrot omelet?
Yeah, they shaved the carrots and put it in the egg like that, sure enough.
I put ginger directly in the thing, powdered ginger and powdered cloves.
Oh, really? Now, then cloves are good for you. And I hadn't started taking those that yet, but I've been thinking about it.
Yeah, you can overdo it in a drink. Still good for you.
Yeah.
right, Manny Mac. I hope we can cook this before it starts raining. We're making sausage and pepper hoagies tonight, y'all. It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown. Y'all know what this means. George and Martha will be making their appearance soon. Deep in the jungle, early in the morning, the sloth was fast asleep, but the rest of the animals were wide awake. The cheetah was on the running machine, working on his speed. The elephant was lifting heavy weights, working on her strength. The kangaroo was on the trampoline, working on her spring. The monkey was on the high bars, working on his swing. It's the next day.
Pumpkin brownies.
Pumpkin brownies for afternoon snack. Manly picked this too. He loves pumpkin things. Every recipe he's been picking here lately has to do with pumpkins, right? You want to mix the brownie part or the pumpkin part? Brownie part? Okay, let's switch bowls then. Here, you can go ahead and put it into your bowl. Jonah and Sissy are on the back porch. They're still finishing up some schoolwork.
Wait, I want to pour it.
Okay, he's pouring in the brownie mix. We just have this one, triple chocolate brownie. This was the gigantic box we got from Costco. These would be fun for movie night brownies this fall. Let's see, what about if I crack your egg in here and then you pour the egg in there? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
You need one egg, there you go. Pour it in there.
Oh, there's the yolk. Well, can I mix it?
Yeah, you can go ahead and start mixing. Let me get you the spatula here. You need a 1/4 cup of water.
I accidentally spilled it a little. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's okay. And you need a 1/3 cup of oil. Very good.
This time I didn't spill it.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, are you excited about my brownies?
So that's all we need for the brownie part. You mix that. For the pumpkin,
It's getting hard.
is it? For the pumpkin mixture, we need 1/2 can of pumpkin. So I had a little bit left in this container. We had it left over from the pumpkin cinnamon rolls, I think. So with the rest of this can now, I'm gonna put it in here. We'll put it in the refrigerator. I need 6 ounces of softened cream cheese in here, so I'm just gonna warm it up on defrost in the microwave for just a few seconds. I'm cutting it up into some smaller pieces, that way it'll be easier to mix in with the pumpkin.
Did we forget to clean the egg?
No, it was already clean. I already had those clean. I'm gonna put this, let me see if that was soft enough. Oh yeah, that's good. So we've got the 6 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 can of pumpkin. We need a tablespoon of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Now we're gonna put a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, we'll stir this all together. I'm using this, I think it's an 8.5, what is this? 8.5 by 8.5 casserole dish.
Yeah.
We're gonna put half the brownie mixture in the bottom.
Mama, some spilled on the counter.
That's okay. Now we pour over the pumpkin mixture.
Into the brownie mix.
Spread that out. This part's a lot easier to spread than the brownie part, huh?
Now can I mix?
We're not gonna mix it. It's just gonna go right on top like that.
Oh,
So that you have a pumpkin layer in the middle, you see?
okay.
I'm gonna try to pour it like this as I go over the top. See if we can get it everywhere without actually having to spread. That way our pumpkin layer will stay in the middle. We have some of these itty bitty mini pretzels that we're gonna
This
put
is gonna be Daddy's side.
just on half of it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put
This
some just
can
on
be my
half.
side.
So you want this side with no pretzels?
Uh-huh.
All right, can you put the ones on here that you want to put?
Yeah.
Just drop them down just like that. Just a few, we don't have to do a lot of them.
Yeah, just 2.
Just 2? Let's do about 5 or so.
Yeah, 5.
Put this one right there. They're ready to go in the oven. These are gonna bake for about 50 to 55 minutes.
400 years old, babe.
It's gonna take them a little bit longer since we have that pumpkin layer in there. Here they go.
Yep.
These are so moist. They need to cool for like a long time. We let this cool for probably about 30 to 40 minutes and they're still so moist. It's hard to get out because the middle part, it's just like pumpkin pie filling almost. Just the right little hint of pumpkin in there. It's so creamy and it's really pretty. How the orange part is in the middle. Definitely a fun fall brownie. You give it 1 thumbs up or 2?